naira. Okay, stay there. Okay, no. Let's go. Let's go.
Alashis.
What? You came home?
Yes, I came in last night. Alashis, you mean you still blind to Keke?
Wow, what's the man go do now? Eh?
Hey.
What go do now? Now with the manager.
Oh, wow, I'm greeting though.
Mama, the hell?
Mama, you too. Mama, you mean you still sell these vegetables?
Oh, wow, my son. Okoko hapo kumkum. Keri ho geji zoomia.
When your son Edozie is in Lagos, buying properties like mad, spending money like there's no tomorrow, are you people here suffering?
Sorry, passengers, make una sorry, I dey come abeg, make una no vex, abeg. Why? Abeg, my keke is full. Eh? If you want to enter the other side. Make I take you to Nkwo, if you're going to Nkwo, and allow the dead to bury themselves.
Aloysius, I am very serious. I am very serious. This is an error. How can you be here driving keke suffering when your immediate younger brother is a billionaire? It's an error. It's not acceptable.
Well, see, this is morning and it's too early for this. Please.
No, I want to see to the root of this. How can you be suffering like this when they do say he's a billionaire in Lagos? He doesn't know what to do with money. You are same brother, same father, same mother, everything. Is it that Edozie does not want to help you people or what?
Well, see, Edozie is your friend, and both of you stay in Lagos. So why don't you inquire from him? If you ask me this question from now till eternity, I am not going to answer you.
Okay, Adama.
Please, I don't want any trouble this morning, please.
I'll meet Edozie in Lagos.
Just do that.
Mama,
get friends.
Okay now.
Wow.
Edozie Fege had a mistake. Edozie Fege had a mistake. Before 9 o'clock tomorrow, you will receive 6 million naira alert. Yes. Because of my daily meeting, I can only do 6 million a day. So tomorrow morning before 9, I'll do 6 million. Once it's 12 midnight, I'll do 6 million. One day, don't think I did a mistake. It doesn't think I did a mistake. Alright, bro, one love, yeah? Dope. Walaka, my man, what's up? Why are you this weekend? I mean, why are you this weekend? You are living in a mansion that is yours. You still have other houses out there. The cars I saw outside, they all belong to you. But your mother and your brother are living in that poor village house. Is that not gross wickedness? How can you be this wicked? Huh? Walaka. I'm listening. Wow. I said I'm listening. You know I can comfortably build a house for my brother and my mother. I can establish my brother with money to do any type of business. I can even buy him a car. True or false? I know now. I know it won't cost you anything. Good. Do I look like a fool? No. You are my childhood friend. You know my family. I know now. You've always had your brother and your mother at heart. I'm wondering why the sudden change. Is it because of the money? No. Olaka. Ask my brother and my mother what I've done. The way they are treating me. In fact, I don't even know how to place this. Just ask my brother and my mother why they are treating me this way. How do you mean? Walaka, if you see Alphonsus, my brother, just call him and ask him, why are you treating Edozie Fege this way? People are just confusing me. Aloysius will send me to you. You will send me to Aloysius. Have I lied for you before? Just meet Aloysius. Ask him this simple question. Why are you treating Edozie Fege this way?
Baby, you're not happy. What is it?
I'm fine. No,
you are not.
It has nothing to do with you.
And you call yourself my boyfriend. You claim you love me so much that you want to spend the rest of your life with me. And you find it difficult sharing your problems with me. Am I a stranger here?
Okay. I will tell you. I'm not happy because of what I saw in the village yesterday.
And what was that?
You know that my friend that came back from South Africa with lots of money.
The one that was squatting with you in your one-room apartment before you traveled?
Exactly.
What's that his name?
Edozie.
Yes, Edozie. What about him?
Can you believe it that his mother and only brother are living in abject poverty in the village? As in, eating from hand to mouth.
God have mercy. Are you kidding me?
I can't understand. I can't comprehend. How can Edozie have so much money, living in affluence? He cannot take care of his mother and only brother. Does it make sense? I don't just understand.
Wonder shall never end.
I am going to see to the root of this. I want to know why Edozie should have all this money and leave his mother and brother to die in poverty.
Wonder shall never end. Oh my God.
Wait, how much is this money, sir?
65,000
So 500 naira.
I wonder how she was begging and begging and begging and begging before we gave her that money.
Oh, thank God you were there. Very stupid woman.
It is. It's funny.
Very funny.
Mama, good morning.
Edozie, what is it? Edozie, what is it? Who is your mama? Me. Edozie, you must be dreaming. You must be dreaming. I am not your mother. Go and look for who is your mother.
Why are you people treating me this way? What have I done wrong? Everyone out there now sees me as a devil. It's unfair.
Does it? We are not treating you anyhow. You know what to do. And until you do it, there is no sacrament that is binding you with us. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, you heard me. Papa.
Accept this.
God punish you and this thing you call money. You think you can deceive me with this? I don't have respect for this because they are just papers. Amofia, go with your money because I don't need them. Edozie, go with your money. Take your money and leave. Edozie! Edozie! Come and take your money and go! We don't need you and your money. Take your money and go! Don't leave it here, Edozie! Edozie, come on, Edozie! Let your brother come and take this thing and go. I don't need it. Edozie! Come and take the money and leave! Hey! You don't want to take it there? No problem. I will burn there because I don't need it. I don't need it.
Keep your hands clean so you don't get burnt. Do the right thing so you won't get hurt.
Mama,
why?
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do, everything you do, everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do, everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything.
Where is the joy now? Where is the joy? Where is the fulfillment? I made money because of my family, my brother and my mother, but now they have rejected me. They have rejected my money. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. Edozie fege. All the back you make a mistake.
What happened now? Hey, why is your face like this? Talk to me and I'm your mother. What is it? What happened?
They rejected me.
Yeah. They rejected you. That is why your face is like this. As if somebody died. My son, look. Brighten your face and smile for your mother. Now, mother, oh? Mama, just smile. Just smile. Smile for your mother. Eh? One thing. Oh, mama. Look, let me tell you this. That God led you all the way from the city and came back safely is enough to give glory to God. Many people went there, they never came back. So why won't we thank God? Go in and brighten up. Take your bath. Your mother prepared you the right food. Go in! Ah, you know my son.
I've not smiled for the past 6 days.
What else will I be doing if not to put smile on your face? Let's go in! I'm happy you enjoyed it. Hey,
Mama.
really for one nigga.
Yeah, I went for it. Let's call a spade a spade.
What is it?
You went through hell just to see us through school. And all I do is eat your meal every now and then and say, Mama, thank you. Morning, Mama, thank you. Afternoon, Mama, thank you. Night, Mama, thank you. I am tired of Mama, thank you. Huh?
My son. My son.
Mama.
God
should fast forward his time. God's time is best. God's time is best.
You can't fast forward God's time for him.
Okay.
Hey? See, God has his timing for every one of us. Some he blessed before they graduate from the university. Some immediately they graduate from the university. Some years after they have left the university. Why not be patient? For they said, a patient dog in the father's dog. My son, be patient. Be patient. One day, God will touch them to give you work, and your heart desire will be granted. Oh?
She's patient. Oh no, Dodo. Yeah,
you're welcome.
Hello.
You can't continue like this, you can't continue. Do you want to go to the city and remain outside? You want to live on the streets? You have submitted your CV to different companies. Why not wait for them to call you for a job? One day they will call you. I know that.
This is what I'm tired of. One day. God's time is the best. What is all this? Huh? I'm going for 40 years ever. I hope you didn't finish the food. Hey, Robusi soup. My brother, we can't continue like this. It doesn't make sense. All we do is eat and say, Mama thank ma in the morning, afternoon, Mama thank ma, night, Mama thank ma. Are you not tired? Abba, if you're not tired, I'm tired.
Ozie, we don't know anybody in the city. That is the problem. No cousin, no brother, no sister, nowhere to stay.
I am now no police here. I am now go dog police here. I'm not gonna. Let's make move first. Let's stay with friends, relatives. Let's just make move first. Let's make move.
My own is that I am very comfortable riding my keke in this village till the companies I submitted my CV are ready to call me.
You are you serious?
Yes, comfortable.
You are comfortable with keke? Graduate after 5 years in school. You are comfortable with keke? fine and good. I am not comfortable. Okay? I am not. In fact, I'm not sure you're my blood because if you are, you wouldn't be saying this rubbish. After 5 years in school, you are comfortable with Keke. I am not. My brother, I'm not comfortable. Okay? I am not. I'm going to Onitsha. Simple. Onitsha. In at the
My son, remember all that I told you. Hey, my good Lord that I am serving will bless you through it.
Amen.
For God's kobo is better than the devil's naira.
Mama, you've been saying this thing from inside now. Why are you sounding like I'm going to do money ritual?
Edozie, I know why I'm saying this. I am your mother. I know why I'm saying it. Remember where you are coming from and be courageous.
Mama.
Please.
Mama, don't bother yourself. I trust my brother.
Okay.
He will not do anything stupid.
Amen. Amen.
You want to start your own? Let me go in, John. Mama, Fred, go.
Go well, eh?
Oh, God.
Because, do you go where you're now?
I'll call you once again.
All right. Take care of yourself. Be a good boy, yo.
Yeah.
Do you go where you're?
I will pay you one day. I will pay you one day.
Why you're? If I know that, I can't say so. Jimbo, why you're? It's a
I don't understand. Look at what I want. Anything that is legit, anything that is lawful that can be giving me money. I can't just stay like this now. Anything at all, I don't mind. I just need to be getting money every day.
Like working in a polythene factory.
No. I don't want polythene factory. Those people, they'll be saying mountain, they will pay you. No. I need a place where I'll be working. At the end of the day, they will pay me. I need daily money. Those old polythene companies, they will say mountain, another story will enter. Say, no. I need daily money.
Those boys that are selling gala a la casara, those people are making good money. One of them told me that sometimes they make up to 5,000 naira a day.
Me working gala a la casara?
I'm telling you, 5,000 naira a day.
Are you sure? Do they make such money?
I'm telling you.
Every day 5,000?
I'm telling you. But the thing is that the people that know you very well now, as you graduate, after spending 5 years in the university, they now see you in the street hawking.
But forget that one. Who people help? What is people? Life is a journey, my brother. I won't be selling gala and mineral for forever. It's just for the meantime. Are you getting me? And besides, when I let upgrade in my life, those same people that say, hey, he's selling gala, they'll still come back and celebrate me. So forget, if you're sure they make 5,000 naira every day, it's a good business.
Okay, I'll get you to one of them.
Please.
I will help you.
Please. No, you feel I like a bomb. My brother, if I know you feel if I know they do anything, I like a bomb.
Now money be the matter. Now money be the matter. Whether you get this how or you get that how, just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter. Money be the matter. No matter how you get the sweetness in the same. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter. Money be the matter. Whether you get this how or you get that how, just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter. Money be the matter. No matter how you get the sweetness in the same. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter.
But the stress too much.
My brother, I tell you. I don't have to do a bullet for my So brother, sometimes for this life, one has to come up from a comfort zone to hustle hard. So no worry. Don't worry. You know what God will do. No, come back home.
That was how we were raised. We were one big happy family until that fateful day. I cursed that day. I cursed the day I met Godfather.
I greet you, sir.
I greet you too.
Did you check the expiring date?
How much is the gala?
Normal level now, 17 naira.
How much is everything you got, including the drinks?
You won't buy everything?
Everything.
$9,300.
9,300.
Yes, sir.
That's okay. Can I have it?
God bless you, sir.
No problem. God even bless you more. Take this. Go ahead, take it.
Give me this now. I beg. Give me this now. Give me my 9-3. My mama want me about blood money. I beg. I don't want to get involved. Give me my girl out. Give me my money.
Why don't you just take this money? I'm giving you the money from my heart.
My mama warned me about blood money people. How can not involve me? Give me my gala or give me my 9-3. How you go buy that small thing and give me this kind of money? Today at Christmas.
You don't want this?
I don't need them. Give me my gala or give me my 9-3. This one pass me. Give her.
Okay. Hey, wait, come. Take this. Take my card. You see, the way you've been hustling, I've been watching you. All the strength that you've been using, you can use it for better things. Instead of hawking gala, hawking like a Sarah. There are better things to do with your talent. I can feel your muscle. Take this card. Go ahead. Call me anytime. Whenever you change your mind, I will make your life better. You think you found out? You do okay.
Gala, gala, gala.
All the strength that you've been using, you can use it for better things. Instead of hawking gala, hawking like a Sarah. There are better things to do with your talent. I can feel your muscle. Take this card. Go ahead. Call me anytime. Whenever you change your mind, I will make your life better. You think you found out? You do okay.
work today? What's the time? 8:30 in the morning. So small. Now only the kind goes to bed and my nose is best. I'm going to choose yourself. Safe. Hello, Oga, please. Good morning, sir.
Who is this?
Is that gala seller you gave your card yesterday at Opiweka?
Oh, I see. Are you ready to make something out of your life?
Yes, sir. Please, how can I see you, sir?
Okay, come to the and Lagos Park. Enter bus, enter the Victoria Island, precisely, then call me.
Alright, sir. I'm coming, sir. Thank you, sir. Wow. I will be traveling to Lagos tomorrow. Tomorrow? Yes. The company has submitted my CV, invited me for an interview. The interview is for next tomorrow, so I need to be in Lagos tomorrow. Oh, this is good news. Are you serious? You know, I've always told your mom that her labor in training both of you in her institution through narrow means of livelihood will never be in vain. I know that one day God will remember every effort she put in training you in school. Oh, I'm so happy. Congrats in advance. Congrats. Thank you very much. Yeah, I know that the job is already yours. You have gotten the job. It was God that brought this thing, and God will perfect what He has started in your life.
Yes, who are you? Who are you?
My brother. Is this Godfather's house?
Yes, like I said before, who are you?
My name is Edozie Fege from Onitsha.
Oh. You told me you will be coming today, yes. Come in. Just wait here. Good luck.
Good day, sir. Please, what do I offer you?
Anything.
Okay, would you prefer rice and chicken with cold drinks or pounded yam and vegetable soup served with fresh juice?
No, just juice.
Only juice?
Only juice.
Okay, I'll be right back.
I thought he said he's at home. What is keeping him? Good night. Sorry, good afternoon, sir. Young man, you see, in this business, the first thing you need to learn is patience. That is Nnebe. You need to learn how to wait. You know, like the bird called Ude. You know the vulture? Yes. Right? Yes, sir. The vulture is a patient bird. Come on. Okay, lose. Do you understand that? And that way, then you can do what? Grab whatever your destiny is still for you. Please, what kind of business are we talking about? Let me know if I can do it. What kind of business can you not do? I can do any kind of business once it does not hurt my conscience. Once it is legit, I will do it. I've been suffering all my life. Once it won't hurt your conscience, and once it's legit. Yes, sir. Young man, you see, in this country, there is no good business that comes your way legitimately. No good business. For you to be able to make even in this country, you must sell your conscience to the God of money. Yes. It's either you get even or have fun like before that it will continue to remain as poverty, opium, extreme poverty. So you make a choice. So, sorry, sir. I rather than do anything that will hurt my conscience. I'm sorry. You would? Oh, good. Oh, good. Then simply return back to Opi Wake, where you hustle and run after moving vehicles. By the hope of God, a pianist in a kolota. In one of the sound, Gaga, in Ano, now. Hallelujah. Asking you, hallelujah, about. Get out of the conscience. Does there know your conscience? Yeah? I guess you're also suffering from what I call the triple S. Psychological, psychomotic, psychophancy syndrome of deficiency of vigilantiness. That fools. Poverty.
Keep your hands clean so you don't get burned.
Hey, wait! Oga said you should wait first. Oga said you should wait first. Oga said you should wait first.
My brother, please. I'm an only son.
Oga said I should not open the gate for you. He said I shouldn't open the gate for you. So, wait here first.
I am not interested again.
Will you calm down?
Please, okay, I'm down.
Are you alright?
I'm fine, sir. Can I go? I'm an only son. Let me just go, sir. Biko, my brother there. I'm an only son. Please, let me just go. I'm begging you.
Comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do.
I will shout, oh. This is kidnap, oh. I will shout, oh. I will shout, oh. Come on, open this gate, oh. Let me go. Come on, open this gate, oh. Come on, open this gate, oh. Come on, open this gate, oh. I will shout, oh. This is kidnap, oh. You, come on, open this gate. Open this gate, let me leave here. I will rush you. I will rush you. I will rush you.
Will you keep quiet?
Open this gate. I want to go.
Anyway. Oga said I should give you this for your transport back to Onitsha. Oga said I should give it to you. Let me open the gate. You're free to go.
Let me go.
No, don't worry. Just go.
No, this is too much.
Just go, it's okay. Just go. Please, just go.
So sorry for the embarrassment. You know,
No.
I'm my guy, yeah?
No,
Thank you very much.
You're
Sorry for the embarrassment.
welcome.
Thank you.
No, just go.
You don't want.
I'm okay.
Greeting from me, yeah?
All right.
Comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do.
Child, money is good though. Look at me, spending a night in a hotel, ate good food, and still have more than enough to transport myself back to Onitsha. When I was already thinking on how to get money to transport myself back to Onitsha. If he had not given me this money, probably I would be sleeping in a motor park with an empty stomach and be begging for money to transport myself back to Onitsha. Just the same person.
But a little money in his hands made a difference. Make thunder fire anybody with some money no good. Make thunder fire anybody with some money no good.
Since you came back from this your job interview in Lagos, I noticed that you have been this cold. And I'm wondering, did you fail?
I did not fail, just that.
That what?
The requirements are too tedious.
What kind of requirement will a company ask from you that you cannot provide?
It's not even requirements. The conditions are just... The condition is something else.
Conditions like what and what?
Is this another panel?
Oh, I'm thinking about your family's condition. There is enough poverty in your family already. What condition would the company give to you that you will not grab with both hands as long as money comes out at the end of the day? The poverty in your condition, are you just comfortable with it?
You won't understand.
Let me tell you one thing. Money making is not easy. People go through a lot of stuffs to make money. You cannot just sit down and be licking ice cream and eating popcorn and make money at the same time. It's not possible. So I'm telling you, if you have to reconsider their conditions, call them back or go and take the job instead of staying idle here. I know I'm telling you this. So don't do something that you will regret in the future.
Maka, you won't understand.
Say my own.
Please, I'm begging you, please. Please don't do this to me. You don't do this to me. I'm begging you with all my heart. Please don't do this to us. Don't do this to me.
Madam, what do you want me to do? Have I not tried for you?
You have tried.
I've tried.
You have tried. You have even tried more than enough. But all I am asking you is to give us more time.
What more time do you want, madam? What more time? Even if I give you from here to eternity, you will never produce the money. So just sign the paper so that the ownership of the land will be transferred to me.
Hey.
Sign.
No,
sign, madam.
No, don't do this. Because don't say that. Don't say that. I'm very poor. You don't like me. Please, I'm poor.
I told you when you were collecting this money, not to train these boys in this strategy.
Yes.
Because they are the boys. Yeah? I advised you to allow them also like their fellow mates. Yeah? By, pushing barrels or riding Okada. But you refused. You said you must train them. Now, they have graduated and became just riders. Just keke riders. Who is the fool now, madam?
I know.
You don't know anything, madam. You don't know anything. You told me that as soon as your children finish their school and their youth service, you will start paying me. Aloy graduated 3 years ago. And they don't say has just graduated last year, yet you have not paid anything. You have not paid. Sign this paper so that I take the land, madam.
Please don't take the land. Don't take the land. I beg you, let him go. Don't take the land. That is the only inheritance that my husband left for my children.
don't take the land away from them.
You now know that it's the only inheritance your husband left for them. Eh? When you were using it at collateral. It didn't occur to you. Did it occur to you, madam?
It doesn't. Are you ready to go back to school?
How can I go back to school? I told you I need money for my project. I can't go back to school without money.
It's okay. It's okay. And how much is the money?
60,000 naira.
60,000 naira. Wait for me, I'll be back. It is my son. This is 60,000 naira. Go back to school.
Mama, where did you get this money from, Mama?
My son, there is a God in heaven that watches over them. He has provided.
God, thank you for being God.
God bless you, my son. God bless you. So you're not happy? Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Mama.
Hey, let me help you pack your things.
Sign this paper. Madam, sign this paper so that I go and take my land. After spending my money on these good-for-nothing boys, you want me to leave the money like that? I cannot.
Oga. We are not good for nothing boys. Watch your tongue. We are not good for nothing boys.
Then pay the money or I seize the land.
Okay. What are we even talking about?
The whole money is 850,000.
This is 50,000 naira. Huh? How much in 2 weeks' time for your balance? Yeah, darling.
What did you just say?
That's why I spoke to him.
If I come back next month for the balance of this money, and if I don't see it, Nnebe Gebu,
take your money and go now. If you give part of the money, let us do with your money now.
Let us do.
If I see you today again, I will destroy your legs.
Mama, why didn't you tell me that you borrowed this money to go to school? Yeah? Why would we use our only inheritance as collateral just to pay our school fees? And Brother Lloyd, you knew all this one and you never did me twice to tell me.
Yo, I only came to know when you forgot your
Mama, why would you use our only inheritance to borrow money? I would have one. Mama, I don't understand. This man really fooled us. He brought us down to zero. Instead of you to be appreciating me for bringing some money, you are interrogating me. I don't understand.
You are not going anywhere until you tell me where you get that money from.
But what is all this now?
You are not going anywhere.
Mama, you were here. This man brought us down to zero. He insulted our life. Every other young boy will use that 50,000 and go and enjoy. But no, I brought it home to wipe away shame from the face of my family. Must I explain where I got 50,000 naira from? Eh? Okay, am I not a hustler? Am I not in Onitsha?
Is it the gala and the legacy that you started selling not up to 2 weeks that you made 50,000 naira from?
People of God, it's a good business.
Let me even ask you. Where do you intend to get the 800,000?
Good.
Brother Lord,
shame on your behalf. Yes. Is this not your ticket? Are you not hustling? Why didn't you bring the money?
I raise money. You people should appreciate me and thank me for bringing money at all. You are here interrogating me. How can it be? People should leave me alone. No. Leave me alone.
I'm your senior brother. Mind the way you talk to me.
So Mama actually borrowed those money she was giving to us when we were in school. And she kept it away from us, intending that we will pay back after graduation. Why must she use our own inheritance? The only inheritance our father left. Why must she use it as collateral? Now we have graduated. No work. Life is complicated. Life is complicated.
That I gave you money, you turned it down. Remember? And when you came and you took the money, I knew I had you. Yes. Initially I termed it the triple S that has a .D. Psychomathematical, psychological, psychophantic inventing that solves the math for knowing the forwardness. But now that you're here, you really know I don't understand how. The power of money, ego. You see, let me tell you something. Money has the greatest force on earth. It is a force that moves the mountain. It is a motivative force that can even uproot the unoperable. You imagine the kind of problems that it solves for you, the kind of life it gives you, no matter how long it lasts. Sometimes it could take like a week, 2 weeks. Sometimes it lasts forever. But the issue is, can you compare your life to that time? You are running after vehicles at top week. To now that you've touched your first 100,000 naira. Okay, how do you see it?
Honestly speaking, this last few days was better.
Good. The power of money is lovely. The worst thing that happens to a man is ego. Money can make a man to turn to shit. Like Gaddafi, this is our senator that talks anyhow. It's money that makes him talk. It's either you die doing what? Looking for the money, finding the money, than to live in poverty. Poverty is the height, the thing that makes a man dive into gutter, and it's not good for life. Anyway, you're here, it's good.
My mind is made up. I have sold my conscience to the god of money. I'm ready.
Not yet. You haven't. One more test. One more test, then we will know if actually you've made up your mind. Just one more test, then we will know if you have actually sold your mind, to your conscience, to the god of money. If you think.
You know, in Lyra, nobody cares about how you make the money. Because no good money comes in a holy way. People simply celebrate you once you've made the money. You know, you can even celebrate yourself because you're going to discover the difference between living and existing. You see, in this world, a whole lot of people are simply existing at the mercy of those that are living. So once you're broke, you're simply existing, you're not living. What is it? You see, this man here, this man is the reason behind your poverty. Yes. This man is the reason behind your miserable life. This is the reason why you keep jeopardizing your life running after moving vehicles each and every day just to collect a mere chish. He is the brain behind your miserable life. So, here. Take it. Okay. Once you shoot him, you grab your millions. But I'm sure that he's going to beg you to spare his life. He's going to beg you not to kill him so that you can remain poor for the rest of your life. So the question is, are you going to spare his life and remain poor all the rest of your life, or would you shoot him and grab your millions?
My son, please, don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. They kidnapped me yesterday and brought me here. My family are waiting for me. If you kill me, they will never see me again. Please, let me go. Don't know that an innocent died by the gun. Please, don't kill me. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. Please.
That's nice. Good, good. Let me have it. Good. Now, you have made it. See, you have killed poverty. So, you become a millionaire. So, welcome to the club of the Triple A's. You've truly proven that you can sell your conscience to the God of money. Let's go.
You're going to pay someday. Everything you do comes back to you. Oh, everything you do. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you.
You see, I have my contacts all over the world. As a matter of fact, I have my boys in South Africa, South Pacific, Europe, United Kingdom, the United States of America, and various countries in Africa. And you know one thing? I do. And all my boys are bigger boys, swimming in money. Ego, Udi. The thing, actually, the system there is kind of illegal. You know why? Because so long as you are loyal to the Godfather, you remain in cash. But if you turn out to be stupid, you see, That thing that happened to that old man's blood. The blood goes some way.
Your message is clear, Godfather. When do I start?
Immediately. I have some consignments coming in from South Africa. The guys was supposed to bring to me the equivalent of $5 million. But I changed my mind. So I'm gonna lead you to his death. So you're gonna go there, get the money, get the consignment, and when you come back, 10 million naira each. And you know what? You're caught. And that will be 1/10. And that 1/10 will be 1 million naira. That money, man. That money. Yeah, I like it.
How am I supposed to get it? Also get the consignment.
Easy. Step by step. You know, you still have a whole lot of tutorials to go through. I don't want you divulging in what I term the triple S, which is a psychological, psycho-fancy innuendo, which divulge men into their life. Okay, we ready?
Na money be the matter. Na money be the matter. Whether you get them this how.
Honestly, I am no longer happy with you. I don't like the whole thing at all. I don't like it at all. You told me you rejected the job, yet you're not in the house. Every time I will call you, you say you are in Lagos. You will come back. I will not see you. See, if you have started work there, you better come and pack your things from here. Pack your things from here and move to Lagos so that I know that I'm not accommodating anybody again. Not when your things are in my room. You are nowhere to be found. I don't like staying with someone I cannot give account of his steps. I'm not happy at all. Come, pack your things, move to Lagos and stay there. That's your way now. You will call me later, you will explain later. That's your way. I'm tired of all these things, so I'm telling you the truth. I'm tired. Nonsense. Man, look at on a bin do agwo.
You don't get the whether you get them this how or you get them that how. Just get money.
Now, look at this map very well. Now, here is Tamaka. The flight arrives here. As soon as the flight arrives, it taxis all through this way down here. Now, when it gets to this place, it stops. That's one point. From this place, now, there's another shuttle. He must take that shuttle, just a fact, no choice. Now, it shuttles down back to this place. Once he moves to this place, he takes off on the shuttle. That takes him down here. From here, at this point now, we close it in. Then he comes down from there straight to the hotel. Are you there? By the time he gets to the hotel, you're already at reception, waiting. We just pretend. Do whatever. Press your phone. With paper, whatever it is, just disguise, like you didn't see him. That'll be alright. Now he's gonna be talking to the receptionist. As soon as he's done with the receptionist, you know what happens? He gets into his room. He's gonna give me a call. Before he gives me the call, you are already there. While you get in there, what do? You be friendly. Just be nice. Now he's gonna give me another call. The moment he gives me another call, then I'll give you instructions. Then you take the action. That's just it.
It's a don't leave.
So you understand it, that's clear, right?
It is very good.
What matter what you do? I mess it up.
Jail. Back well. Maybe for everybody. He's Agaro, he was Agaro.
I brought 2 coconut crates. So you take them.
You know what I hate most? All the triple S's. I believe in you. Does you figure there's no mistake?
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, welcome. How are you? My name is Lord Luca. My friend Godfather had a reservation for me.
Oh, yes, sir. It suits. With what honor?
You're right.
Room service will help me there, sir.
Okay. Which room?
That way.
Sir, can you make yourself comfortable? Yeah, like it's cool. Okay, thank you. Yo, hello. Here Godfather himself. I am in the hotel room right now. Anyway, I like it. I like it so much. You know how we go in this with Godfather? I thought you're gonna call me for a hangout. Think are you gonna call me for a hangout? Man, I'm in Nigeria. Godfather himself. I think you're right. Business before pleasure. But nevertheless, you're going to give me a special treatment like I always do whenever you're in essay. It's cool though. I'm game.
All right. Thank you.
Who is there? Who is there? You know, in this business, you got to trust people.
I come in peace.
Let's see what you got there.
Nigga, what the fuck is this? See,
all around.
So you don't get burnt. Do the right thing so you won't get hurt. You can never run away. You're going to pay someday. Everything you do comes back to you.
This is good. This is good. You know, when I saw you running after those moving bikers,
I did not only see strength and speed, but I also noticed determination. You know, you were so determined to get your money at all cost. What a wonderful friendship, you know, with such determination, can, easily, take you fight any kind of business that you never can afford to. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Just a minute. I'll be right back.
Everything you do comes back to you.
There we go. Yeah. That is 1 million naira. Exactly 10% of the total business. You know, we had an agreement, 10% goes for every deliverance.
May you be the God where they see now. May you be the God where they see now. Come on, Chukwa Fulanya. Hey. Thank you very much.
So tell me, you have a passport or you don't?
I don't even get local passport. Talk of international. No passport.
You don't have an international one?
No, even ID.
Don't worry, we handle that. You know, I would say, welcome. Welcome. Because this is the Billionaire Club. Welcome to the Billionaire Club. And then get ready to face extreme business. So well.
Hey. My godfather. True. You are the godfather. Okuyo Munafege. You see this money? But I got through the not there. I will mess up the roads out. Housing fake bullet, they will hear of me. How that we confirm that I know. But I got through every bridge, I got no there now. No, it's a map of everywhere. Okay, thank you, sir. Because I got to do that house.
Oh, like I was saying, a triple A begins a triple A. With a triple S begins a triple S. Whatever you do in life, don't be a triple S. That's what we call psychological, psychophysical.
Chidozie.
Mama.
What I am asking you is, where did you get this money from?
Is it necessary? The most important thing is that the money is here. Mama, take this money to Ogajo and remind him that we are not useless boys, as he said. Simple.
Chidozie, you have not answered my question. Where did you get the money from? Where did you get this money from?
Mama, when you were paying our school fees, I remember vividly that all you do is bring money and say, go and pay our school fees. Each time we try to ask, Mama, where do you get this money from? You'll be like, no, don't worry. But here we are. You were borrowing money from Ogajo